At Smartinny, we revolutionize the way brands and e-commerce owners source electronics by providing a comprehensive OEM platform that saves you time and effort. Founded with a vision to streamline the electronics manufacturing process, we take pride in offering a seamless experience that eliminates the need for extensive sourcing and international travel. Our mission is to empower businesses by connecting them with reliable, affordable, and trending new electronics. We understand the challenges of finding trustworthy manufacturers and suppliers, and we are here to bridge that gap, ensuring quality and efficiency every step of the way. Smartinny specializes in offering a wide range of electronic products tailored to meet the needs of brands and e-commerce platforms. Our main product line includes mechanical keyboards, high-performance and durable keyboards designed for both casual and professional use. Power banks, reliable and efficient power solutions to keep your devices charged on the go. Earbuds, stylish and high-quality audio devices for an immersive sound experience. Travel adapters, versatile and compact adapters to keep you connected wherever you travel. Our extensive network of vetted manufacturers ensures that you receive top-notch products that align with market trends and consumer demands. From smart home devices to cutting-edge gadgets, we bring the latest innovations directly to you. At Smartinny, we are committed to your success. We handle the complexities of the manufacturing process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. With our expertise and dedication, you can trust us to deliver exceptional products that stand out in the market. Visit us at smartinny.com and discover how we can help you save time, reduce costs, and elevate your brand with our reliable and innovative electronic solutions.